Hello traders, today is the 18th of August 2011 and happy trading to you all. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magg.com. We are looking on the 4-hour chart of the Euro USD currency pair, the 4-hour chart, and we have here what I call the 5 area wave. Okay, so the first area wave from here all the way up here, and the second area wave from here down to this level here, and the third area wave from here all the way up here, and then the fourth area wave from here up to this level here. As you can see, we have a complex fourth area wave which has been divided into ABC corrective move. ABC corrective move. From here to here, this is the fourth area wave. From this level here up to this level here, that's the fifth area wave. We have a 5 area wave on this 4-hour chart. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave up to this level. Okay. And the fifth way right here, we are expecting ABC corrective move. That's the theory. The theory. The reality of the market can be perfectly different. The price right now, as you can see, if you look carefully, paying attention to the market pattern on this 4-hour chart, we are in a kind of a consolidation zone. The price bumping between this level here, you can see it touch it here, it touch it here, it touch it here. Here, it touch it here, touch it here, touch it here, touch it here. The price consolidating between these two levels on the 4-hour chart. We are on the zone of the upper side of this horizontal channel. Okay, but the price did rise from this level here up to this level here, displaying a 5 area wave. Yesterday on the 15-minute chart, we did show you, okay, what the price did on the 15-minute chart. From this point onward, if you pay attention to our recent video that we posted at www.youtube.com talking about Elliott wave, live area wave theory, and also area wave day trading tips videos, you can see that we told you that the Euro USD on the 50-minute chart displayed from this point onward 5 wave. First area wave from here out to this level here, second area wave from here down to this level here, and the fourth area wave from here up to this level here, and the fifth sorry, my apology, first area wave from here up to this level here, second area wave from here to this level here, a third area wave from here up to this level here, and the fourth area wave from here down to this level here, and the fifth area wave from here up to this level here. And then we have the A, B, C corrective move. When the price was dropping very fast to touch the 50% zone, we thought that this was the ABC corrective move, because sometimes if there is a strong bearish momentum after an uptrend, the price may just go down very fast to go into the zone of 50% and the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. Talking about the theory, the area wave theory, you must separate the theory from the reality of the market. In exactly the time in London right now is 25 minutes past 1 p.m. In New York 8:25. In exactly 5 minutes time, we will receive a very important economy news. This is why we are talking about the trading triangle, paying attention to the news, the fundamental, okay, and the leaders. We are not trading technicals alone. We must combine the technical and the new. These are here. At 8:30 exactly Eastern time, the Canadian leading index, okay, 8:30 again Eastern time AM, core CPI, that's the United States, same time 8:30 AM today on the 18th of August 2011. We have also FOMC member Dudley speaking, and also at 10 AM Eastern time existing home sale. Again at 10 AM Eastern time, Philly Fed manufacturing index. These are what I call the news. These can quickly change the dynamics of the markets. Talking about the fundamental, the news, very important, especially the unemployment claim. The projection is bearish for the United States right now, 402,000 forecast. Previous figures was 395,000. This is bearish for the dollar. Okay, but we will see the actual figure in the next 3 minute time. You see now, So here we are talking about Elliott wave. We're talking about Elliott wave, but we must also pay attention to the fundamental. If you are trading and you did not know all these news are about to be released, you can perfectly, okay, affect your trading, okay. So attention on the technical, but also on the fundamental. So 5 waves from this point, from here all the way up here yesterday, it dropped down very fast. A corrective move, B corrective move, but this B corrective move is a complex B corrective move. It has been divided into A, B, C corrective move. And then we have the C corrective move from here all the way down here. This C corrective move has been divided into 5 small waves, talking about complex a C corrective move. The first wave, the third wave, and the fifth wave can be divided into 5 small waves. The A corrective move and the C corrective move can be divided into 5 small waves, talking about the complex Elliott wave. The second and the fourth Elliott wave can be divided into ABC corrective move. Similarly, the B corrective move can be divided also into ABC corrective move. These are the theory. Trading is not only about theory, it's about placing a trade and being rewarded, managing the trade, applying 5% money management rules, and then using stop loss in all trades. So this is what's going on now. So on the 15-minute chart, in exactly 2-minute chart, the news in 2 minutes time, I'm watching the time, in 2 minutes time exactly the news will be released, and we count 5 waves and ABC corrective move, which brought us to this level here. We are now below that ABC corrective move, but talking about the fractal patterns of the markets, the higher time frame command the lower time frame. The 4-hour chart will command the 15-minute chart. So on the 15-minute chart we see 5 waves plus ABC corrective move, but on the 4-hour chart we have a 5 waves still here waiting for our ABC corrective move on the 4-hour chart. There is a high chance that the price may continue the movement to the downside, okay, into the zone of 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, talking about the theory of the Elliott wave, the Elliott wave theory. So something like this bringing us here. But you know, this is the technical again, and news is about to be released. If the American economy did not perform well, the euro will start going up big time, big time, big time. You see how the news can change the dynamics of the market in exactly 1 minute time, which is about, so we can quickly go back to it. So you see on live now how the news can change it. So we are bearish, it's bearish technically, but a news is about to be released. If the US economy cannot perform very well, this technical is just blah 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 blah. This is so important to pay attention to the economy news, the fundamentals and the news. These are the news. It's about to be released soon. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to refresh my page and go back to it. Going to www.stochasticmarket.com, click on economy calendar. As you can see here, excellent news for the US. Preliminary, okay, this is, no, that's yesterday. Okay, now you see the round here, it's not yet out, so I'm going to click on it live in front of you, and we see what's going to happen here, whether we have some good news. So we check the US first. Okay, the forecast for the CPI, the core CPI, which some people consider to be a fake data because they think it's the government data, is the forecast was 0.2, the actual figure also 0.2. But look, something else has changed here. The forecast for the unemployment claim, which means people who are claiming for unemployment benefit for the first time, the forecast was 402,000, okay, 402,000, but the actual figure was worse, so 408 is worse for the dollar. I'm going to post this video, okay, and I'll come back to it very soon as I'm looking at some of the things that are happening here. Hold on a second, please, okay? Moment, please. I want to place a trade, okay? Hold on, please. So I'm pausing this video and I'll come back to you, and together we'll go through this, okay? Pausing the video. Okay, traders, so what's happening here? We see that the actual figure for the unemployment claim is bearish. You see it come out red. When you see that on the Forex factory, you know that it's bearish for the country concerned. Here is the United States, bearish. Here there was a green here, which is the CPI, okay, which the CPI here, the normal CPI is bullish. Now bullish means Now the actual the forecast was 0.2. The actual figure was 0.5, a bit of improvement, which means goods are getting expensive in the United States. The idea behind that is that the Fed at one point has to increase the interest rates. Interest rates going up is good news for the dollar. That's the theory. Okay, that's the theory. But the most important data today is the unemployment claim. If there is no job creation, is bearish. Does not matter all the other blah blah blah. The job creation, okay, is the fuel of the economy. People have jobs, they will spend, economy will start prospering. People don't have a job, common sense, they're not going to spend, the economy will stay in one place. So this news for regarding the unemployment claim is bearish for the dollar. So as I told you, you see, now we were bearish because we got 5 wave, we expecting ABC correcting move. Now negative news for the dollar. But sometimes, very important, I want to point your attention to the next day. A news for the next day may affect today's news. Let's look together as I'm doing this live now. What's happening for tomorrow? There's one news here for the US, not too much. You see yellow. This is not a high impact news. FOMC member Dudley speaking again yesterday. It's not big news for the dollar tomorrow. So the market will look ahead and see what's happening here. So not much. Tomorrow we have one news regarding the Eurozone, the German PPI, okay, producer price index, which is a leading indicator for the CPI indicator. So German PPI, the forecast for the German is bullish, okay. The previous figure was 0.1, the forecast is 0.2. We'll see the actual figure tomorrow. In my view, the German economy has been performing excellently. There is a time for that economy to slow down a bit before another movement to the upside. So we'll see a bit of contraction in Germany. That's the normal condition. We will see. Okay. So talking about today, it wasn't very good for the dollar because if this was a bullish, okay, we will be looking for opportunity to buy the dollar yen currency pair. But again, you see, it was bearish. This is the most important one, the unemployment claim. Okay. So this is how you will trade. So we count 5 waves. We are expecting ABC corrective move. So we have the A corrective move here. We will see what the market will do. This is what we are talking about. So we know the fundamental. Now what I'm going to do, because a news has been released, what the market is doing now, in the past when the news is instantly released, the market will react very fast. And now the game has changed. When the news is released, the market will wait. You will see after 30 minutes time or so, you will see the market will respond to the news. I don't know why, but this is what I noticed now. Okay, so you have to be very patient. Okay, draw your channels. Now I'm back on my favorite 3-minute chart. You know my obsession with this time frame. 3 past 5, 8, 5, 3. Okay, so now you understand. Alright, so you see this is the Euro USD may escape again the bearish pressure. Now out of this channel, we will take it watching the price self, the number 1 indicator. You see what's going on now. We will see what's going to happen. Attention on the price using the TST W24, okay, trading system like a professional trader. So I hope you enjoyed this video also regarding the fractal Elliott wave, as I've shown you already on the 15-minute chart. Okay, we count 5 wave plus ABC corrective move, but on the other hand, on the 4-hour chart, we are now at the end of the 5th Elliott wave, and we have the A corrective move. We will see whether we will have the B corrective move and then the C corrective move. So in normal condition, if the news does not affect this currency pair, we may see a kind of movement back to the zone of 14000, 14000, displaying a kind of AB, that will be the B session, and then a pullback down into the zone of 50% around 14321, even up to 14300, worst condition down to the 61.8, 14274. That remains to be seen. So a kind of a movement first to the outside, displaying the B session on this 4-hour chart, then a C session to the downside. That's the theory regarding the Elliott wave theory. This is we have the A session here, but as I showed you already, the calendar, the news did not support the dollar very much. So the euro may perfectly escape the bearish pressure as we are in the support zone. As you look carefully here, there is a consolidation taking place in this small session here, okay, between this level here and this level here. So if the fundamental traders succeed to control the market, if the bullish momentum continues, the euro may escape the bearish pressure. But looking again, this is the 4-hour chart. Looking on the monthly chart, as I told you, we are on the overbought zone. I do not want to swing trade to the upside. I will be day trading, buying and selling according to the rules, but I'm not prepared to take a bullish swing trade in this overbought zone. Okay, is bearish on the higher time frame on the monthly chart. Okay, so be very cautious if you are buying, but understand that the price is the #1 indicator. I hope you enjoyed this video regarding the Elliott wave theory that you will put into practice, okay, in order to cream the market consistently. We wish you the very best in your trading, and we will speak to you very soon. In the next exactly an hour or so, New York will open. Hopefully we'll come back to you again and post another video. So speak to you soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders.